POV drive. Me and my boy was just taking some photos of the whip. We head into another cool spot, take some photos, nice flicks, you know. This is the downtown area. It's not, I don't know what it's called. I mean, it doesn't really look like a very downtown-ish area, but it's apparently a downtown area. It's got cool shops, you know, cool places. It's got a museum and all that, but like, it's really nothing special. Oh, it really is nothing special. The car just wants to go. The car just wants to go. First gear is very touchy. Very, very touchy. First gear is like a bitch. Very touchy. If you don't control yourself, it just keeps lunging you. First gear is very touchy. I gotta squeeze. I'm squeezed. I'm squeezed. I should really do these late night drives more often. It's very chill, very calm. This car's extremely loud. Those downshifts are crisp. I thought we was gonna park over there. Never mind. Oh, my GoPro. Yeah, I gotta get a new way to like mount my GoPro.
GPS connected.
That's the same thing as Lake George.
I hope the angle is good. Usually I can't really tell if the angle is bad or not until like I get to the exporting. Hope y'all can see a good view and all. We're gonna head to a rooftop, take some pictures. I don't know why this light keeps flickering. Nothing beats a chill drive, you know, some calm, you know, you and the boys. really hoping the angle is like perfect right now. I have my seat back and I have the GoPro angled. It has been a good day. I did my dash cam, I did my radar detector, I tapped everything, wired everything. I wired that clearly because that's still a little bit funky.
Auto. Mute memory.
It's just been a great so far. Saving from a ticket once already. There's a tunnel row. Yes, sir. I'm not sure if the camera picks up on the intake noise, but it is quite loud in the cabin. There's no way any cop within the mile doesn't hear me. Like, I got most of the interior lights done. This one's flickering. That one isn't turning on, so I gotta check on that tomorrow. I'm gonna do the rest of the aero kits. I got the lip, the side skirt, the rear diffuser to do. We're gonna do that tomorrow. We got tons of content coming. So if you like these kind of videos, you like what I do, want to support, go ahead and like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff, you know? I just love doing these. I just love driving and I love cars. And my knowledge for cars has only grown. So it's just kind of, why not? You know, what I gotta lose is just recording the video, you feel me? That's all we're doing. Well, do some city drives, POV drives. I keep saying this, but I really hope that angle is perfect. I don't think he knows where we're going. Let me give you guys some revs. Give you guys some more revs. This is fun. That Catless has police access only. Yo, we're doing some illegal shit, bro. Let me know, y'all fucking with the interior lights? I got the star lights too. I don't know if y'all can see it real well, but I got the star lights and all that. I guess we just gonna park somewhere over here. I'm not sure what the fuck that was. Here's that interior lights. Here's the star lights and all that stuff and whatnot. I think it looks very cool, very good. Let me get a better view. There's the interior, still working on it. Still got a lot of stuff to do. These are the cars looking. I look tough. I still gotta put on the lip, the side skirt. I gotta put on the rear diffuser and all that. Yeah, that's what we're working with. That's the build right there. Like I said, if y'all like the video, subscribe, like, share, turn on notifications. Feel me? Y'all have a good day.